We move on now to VJuice, and we have Tillman to come and join us now. Now, VJuice, unfortunately, won't be giving you any raspberry, strawberry, or orange juice, but they do have a different type of juice, which I think many of us need at least once a day. Tillman.
Okay. So my name is Tillman. I'm glad to present VJuice to you. So smartphones are the Swiss Army knife of the 21st century. So you have it always with you. They're really multifunctional as long as they have power, and there comes the problem. So why do you have an empty smartphone? There are mainly two reasons. The first reason is you leave home already with a half-charged phone, and then it goes out when you're on the way. Why is this the case? Cable charging, plugging in the cable is cumbersome. There are more and more mid-price smartphone wireless chargeable, but it's not that much used because the charging stations are bulky, they have annoying cables, they're ugly, and so you put them at the fastest place what you can do. So not where you need it, at the place where you have your smartphone. The second one, the reason why your smartphone is empty is because there is no infrastructure to charge it when you're on the way. So now let's see what VJuice is bringing for the first problem. So VJuice is the thinnest wireless charger. It is just 1 millimeter thin. It is available now for the start in 5 colors and 3 patterns. It's flexible and it has an adhesive surface at the back, so you can install it wherever you want. That gives you the opportunity to integrate it seamlessly into your interior, or to have it as eye catcher. Depends on your interior and your taste. And thus, because it's installed wherever you put your phone, at the normally resting places of your phone, you never leave home with the phone half charged. Now coming to the second topic, as said, there is low infrastructure, charging infrastructure when you're being away. There are some places, so in Munich you can charge your phone in the buses, but I don't want to travel back and forth, pay 2 tickets just to get my phone charged. The other opportunity is McDonald's. I don't know how you see it. I have a hard time to eat at McDonald's to get my phone charged. So what is VJuice doing? We are making the chargers findable. That's the first topic. The second topic is we're setting up a business case with sponsors, like in this case, Hopfmeister at the Munich Brewery. How does it work? So the barkeeper is registering its place on Google Maps. VJuice, sponsored by Hopfmeister. And then the guy being out there, smartphone is nearly empty, goes to Google Maps, looks for VJuice. In that bar over there is a VJuice charger. It's sponsored by Hopfmeister. How does the Hopfmeister logo look like? He needs to know because it's printed on the VJuice charger and he has to find it. So he's going in, he's looking for the logo, he's finding it, he's putting his smartphone on it, it's charging, problem solved. What will he do? One Hopfmeister for me, please. So the ideal promotional item, it's active recognition of the logo. It's a positive association, problem solved by Hopfmeister, and you will be there. So 15, 30 minutes, time for a buy. We don't want to stop at bars and restaurants. We see a lot of places out there where you can have it. In gyms, at advertisement panels, at kiosks, at events, and so on and so on. And we are also thinking. So how would it be if VJuice would become a term like to Google? My smartphone is empty. I need to VJuice it. At least that's our vision, Good. We brought some showcases, and I want shortly just to explain it. You can see them at the booth, and there will be more explanation. The first one, this is special for the do-it-yourself audience of Elector. this is how to give old smartphones or tablets a second life. Yeah. So I have an old Samsung tablet which runs out of battery after 2 hours. So I made it wireless chargeable. I made a construction for my bathroom, and I have a Razer Mirror app combined with the rain radar. So in the morning I know, hey, it's not raining. I can go by bike, or I need to take the subway. The second showcase, no, this is not an alien bug. This is the dashboard of a Fiat Ducato. Yeah, and the ideal use case, because campers are mostly equipped with the Fiat, or are based on the Fiat Ducato. Wireless charging in cars is great. Go in, put your phone. When you arrive, the phone is charged. But it's extremely expensive. And VChoose is the low-cost retrofitting version. You install it in minutes. There is no intervention in the car, no appointment at the shop required. The next generation of VChoose will be embedded with NFC. This is giving a lot of opportunities for value add and additional functions. So I brought 2 examples here. The first one is for a real big group. Because in Europe it is mandatory now to register your working time, also in the home office. And if you make mistakes in reporting working time, there might be some effects. Yeah, you might even be dismissed. So what we're doing, we have the NFC embedded in the VChoose, and then we really make it intuitive. You put your phone on the VChoose, tracking starts. You move it quickly up, it stops, or you move it ahead your head, and then it also stops. The second one example here on the right. This was a project together with the Handwerkskammer Oberbayern and the Landkreis Miesbach. This was, we tried to digitalize processes of small companies, skilled arts and trades. So those guys which are extremely busy, few people, and no transparency on their processes. And we made it really simple. So we have VChoose to keep the cheapest device for tracking always up and running. That's the smartphone. And then we have several NFC. Same topic, first process step, putting there, starts, pulling up, ends. And then all the data is tracked, and this is the base then to optimize processes, to optimize also, or to have a base for cost calculation. Yeah, a lot of opportunity possibilities. Yeah, okay. And the last one is, so rental e-scooters are causing every day a high amount of CO2 emission, not because they're not charged with the renewable energies, but they're pulled every night. They're put on a pickup, driven somewhere, they're charged and brought back. Our solution, also retrofit solution, we have a charging carpet. You can see the proof of concept over there, and just placing the e-scooter on the carpet, it's charged, means no CO2 emission. Lower maintenance, lower costs, and the customer satisfaction is also up because there is a higher availability.
Thank you very much, Tilman, from VChoose there. So we have our colleague here with a microphone, not Justin, because I haven't seen your name badge yet. So this is Leon. Leon's got the microphone for us now. We have a question here from Eric at the front.
Hey, hi, thanks. So you have scale in mind, right? That's quite clear from all the angles that you're looking at it. So how are you looking to find partners for that? Is that something you want to do within VChoose itself, or are you having partners that help you along with that?
So on the production side, we have a production partner who's also developed the coil on our requirements. So it means we have a company which has 2 production locations and enough people to produce it. On the sales side, we're starting now with a Shopify store. Amazon approached us, but we are looking for distributors, and we are open to everything. Yeah.
And partners in the sense of bars, or you showed us a beer manufacturer, something like that.
So my statement was to the consumer version on the bar side. So our customers are the breweries, the coffee brands, yeah, and we will approach them now, yeah, or
Yourselves.
yeah. And so we're also looking to have it as merchandise for soccer fans or something like that. So there are a lot of opportunities to create it or to make it customized.
So, any more questions? There's many questions here from our front row.
So, for a power-hungry device like an e-scooter, what sort of amperage are you able to get out while charging?
For the scooter version, this is now 66 watt, and we can go up with the electronics to 150 watt.
And does the scale end there, or can you foresee a future of electric cars in public parkings being charged that way?
I think that's level too high. Yeah? So there are other players there. Yeah.
So do we have any more questions for Tilman? I can see some of the semiconductor industry in the second row and the passives and discretes.
Hey, so awesome product. What type of solutions have you had to overcome going from prototype to something clearly ready for mass production and scaling up? I'm sure it wasn't straight.
It was a long way, yeah. So first we started to take products existing in the market, to take the electronics of a charger and to mount it. We are basically, in order to keep the costs low, we try to use pre-material which is already in the market, except for the coil, which is the heart. Yeah, and then but all the electronics was designed, certified UL, CE, and you name it. Yeah.
Cool. Thanks.
Thank you.
Great. Well, those are the time we have for questions for Tilman from VJuice. Thank you very much for your presentation.